hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can instance of like cumulation, shuttering, UV mapping, the slicing codes that you see, like so many dynamic code destruction, dynamic codes. So overall, yeah, we're going to do this. Let me start it. For this, I'm going to open my Unity editor. Here I already am open a empty scene, and here I'm going to import a asset named Pro Physics Engine. You will get this asset on the asset store, or I will give the asset link in the description. So let me import the asset. Wait. I just drag the asset and see the window open. We have to click on import. It start importing. See, if you are using Unity version 2022, you may face some errors of input system. And if you are using Unity 6, you may not face any, it will work flawlessly. But if you are using 2022 like me, you may get so many errors of input system. So for solving this, we just have to do this. Like, you have to go in Windows, Package Manager, and then you click on the plus icon, and then click on the add package by name, and just type com.unity.input system. And then just click on add. See, I already installed it, so it's saying of remove. You have to install it. Okay, then your Unity will get restart for a while, and then you are ready to go. So, and if still you face any error, here are error fix documentation, and here is a full readme and the online documentation. Everything is provided in this asset. So first we are going to have a look on the Pro Physics Engine Manager. As we can see in the top menu, here are all the main settings. We are going in the settings, and here you can see, here we have all the APIs that we need that are related to the physics engine. It's really good because we can customize everything from here. We don't have to open every single scripts, as there are so many big mesh, so we can just control everything from here also. And if we did any mistake or any problem, we can click on reset, then it will get all the default settings as new as now. And also, if you are not seeing any of those files, or you added a new file in it and you want and you are not able to see it, then you can just click on refresh and it will be loaded. And let me open the demo scene and show you how it's going to. And here's the demo scene. Yeah, we also have to import the TextMesh Pro, as it used TextMesh Pro. It will also take some seconds, and yeah, it's done. So see, here's our game scene that we got for demonstration. I'm going to show you everything that we got in this. So I'm going to hit the play button. Don't you think this day is so much work to get? Never mind. So see, here already the commands, like we can move by WASD, and we can jump also. And if we want to rotate the camera, the view, we have to like hold right click, so we can do the camera movement. And like we can even throw like kind of bullets by pressing E. So let me show you why we got a gun. So like we got so many objects here. So you can see we got so many objects. So we are going to click on E. How realistic the thing. And we can also even code things like if we release the right click, we get our cursor and then we have to uh, click on this mouse switch, and then you can make codes on anything. See how smooth it is. See how easily I did this. You can easily make codes and see how much butter smooth the UV curves we got. See, here's some more examples of watermelon. We have some cute poly watermelons, and see how easily we are able to cut it. It's dynamic and it's also have different material perspectives. Let's see how much easily it is that thing and we do. And see how much fun it to do. Oh, so here we have some balls. Now here we're going to use the E-click. Listen. See, the big material also shrink down like it's so. And we can even hold the objects. See, click over there, mouse force. See, and we can use and pick the objects by the mouse force. Also, now as we are seeing that we did a lot destruction, here we have some big models. Let me show the another features also of it. So like if we click on mouse and more, we can destroy things by clicking. Just click. See, it's like our impact that we're making on them by just clicking over there. And we can even do slicing as we see. See how much smooth it is to do and how much easy to integrate in your project. You can make any 3D model converted into this. So that's it for this video. If you wanna learn how we can convert any 3D model into this type of like dynamic models, I will make a new video of it. If I already make it, you will find the link in the description. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions related to the asset, you can ask me. I will like to answer your questions. Thank you.